Hello guys, so this is how I want to catch spikes. I want to show you guys how to make money with this strategy. It's gonna spike, right? Oh wow. Just about to say this. You can see how accurate this strategy is. Okay, so this is the strategy I'm giving out for free today. Okay, so before we go on with the settings and how to trade this strategy, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and join our free Telegram channel for
This is the
more
best strategy
updates.
out there. I don't like sharing my strategies, this kind of strategy, because this is my VIP strategy. I love making this strategy of for my own self. Okay, when you guys are sleeping, I love making use of this strategy when others are sleeping. So as you can see, I told you guys when you open a chart, make sure that you go up to higher time frame to place these zones here. To place these zones, you can see the black line there, the horizontal line. If you check the 15 minutes time frame, you can see here on the 15 minutes time frame, we have a zone right there. Okay, we have a zone right there. Okay, so and I knew it will be spiking around that level, because if you go back, you will see that has served as a zone before in the past. You can see it right here. You can see it has served as a zone before in the past. So around that level, I knew it's gonna spike around that level. That's why I placed my line right there. You can see here we have price. There was a spike. There was spike around this level some time ago, and if you keep on going back, you see we had spikes around that level. So that's why I placed my line, horizontal line right there. I was hoping to catch spikes here, and it happened. And this is the second line here. So if it doesn't spike right here, it's gonna spike the second one. If it does not spike the second one, that means I'm closing with loss. But this strategy is very strong because I have a confirmation here, also here on the 1 minute time frame under indicator window one. The price has gotten to the overbought area, and it's gonna spike. Yeah. So I had the confirmation right here and another confirmation here. That's why we had that spike. Okay. So if you're new on our channel, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel for updates and some other stuff. And there's a good news. I'm actually cooking something really nice for you guys, something really, really delicious for you guys. You're gonna love this one. Trust me, you're gonna love this one. This is gonna drop very soon. There's something I'm planning for you people because I've seen the love so far, and I really, really appreciate your love and your efforts. I know people that are sharing my videos, people that are liking, commenting, those sweet comments and all that. I'll be going through them. I really love you guys. I really appreciate. So for that, I'm having a good plans to do something big for you guys. Okay. So for you to benefit, you have to join my Telegram channel and make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop contents like this, you'll be the first to watch, learn, and make money with my content. Okay, I love you guys. So this is the strategy. I'm about to show you the settings. I don't want this strategy to be very long. Okay, you can see the accuracy of this strategy. Yeah, I keep showing you guys this secret. You can see the accuracy of this strategy. Okay, I opened a position around this level because I had my horizontal line. You know what, let me close then. I don't want this video to be very long. Let me close before I share the strategy with you guys, the settings with you guys. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, so I just closed those positions because you can see here, I just because price went has gotten to a key strong, a very key level on my chart, resistance level on my chart. That's why I opened that position. But it's really risky because you can see here, this is a strong downtrend and price has been pushing. Sorry, this is a strong uptrend, and price has been pushing to the upside for some time now, for about 2 hours now. Yeah, and you can see it's going up, right? So it's risky for me to keep on selling around this level or stay in the trade for a long time. It might drop because we have a long drop here and price is pushing to this upside to drop again. So but I don't really see a strong reason to sell at this level. That's why I just catch the short spike and I'm good, right? No, profit is too small because nobody owns this market. Okay, so no matter how small your profit, the main thing here is that you've made profit. That's the main thing you need to consider. You need to understand you've made profits from the market, and that's it. Okay, so this the setting for this strategy, we have three indicators. Okay, my strategy is always very simple. Okay, so You can join my free Telegram channel, my VIP channel, and my mentorship academy. Okay, because I have so many students and they are killing the market. If I show you guys right now, they are the best. They are the best. I can show you guys right now. They kill the market back to back every day. Okay, right here, this is my academy. You can see my students. You can see what they are doing so far. You can see they are killing the market. Yeah, you can see they are killing the market on their own. They don't even need me to tell them what to do because I've given them the knowledge already, and they are the best out there. They are the best out there. I love them so much. You can see they are killing the market back to back. This is not a joke. I'm not joking right here. I'm not joking. Okay, so this is the channel. I drop free tips to help them grow, how to plan themselves, okay, how to grow, how to make profit, consistent profit, right? So this is the channel. I want everybody to join this academy because very soon there's so many things coming up, okay. You guys are gonna benefit so much. So join this academy. Let's start making money together. Let's grow financially together. Okay. So we have three indicators right here. We have the RSI. Please just screenshot. We have here, we have period is 20, apply to close. Style is for pixel, and the levels here we have 85, we have 15, we have 10, we have 90, right? Screenshot them, okay? My battery is running low, I'm not home. We have Ichimoku, we have Tengen Sen 2, Kinju Sen 4, Senkun Span B is 5. Then here you don't click anything here. Then when you come down right here, you have excuse me, sorry. Yeah, when you come down here, you can see Kiju Sen is black color. That's because I'm using white background. My MT5 is white background, right? That's why I'm using this black here so that I'll be able to see. Then we have another Chiku span is blue so that I'll be able to see those two indicators, right? Then the rest are all white. Okay, so you click on done, you go back again, moving average. Okay, we have the period is 80, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to low, and the color is red. You can use any color of your choice, and you click on done. Those three indicators, bring them up. Yeah. So remember what I keep saying. I tell you guys. So like you see, I mapped this place. I placed my horizontal line here because I knew it would be spiking around that level because I checked back and saw price was at key resistance level. That's why I said let me quickly catch the spike. Right. Then this is the next level. I'm expecting spike to happen. Yeah. I'm expecting spike. That's the next level, and probably here. So when we have price at this level here, and I go down to my 1 minute time frame, and I confirm my indicator tells me price is at the over bought level, I'll be looking to sell. I'll open a position around this level with small lot size. If it fails this level, that means it's going to this other level here. So depending on your equity, you might close with a little loss here and wait for price to get this strong level because I feel this level is more stronger. This level is more stronger because we have something like what this is other block. Okay, we have other block here, we have an other block around here. So that's why if it breaks, if it pass above this level, it might hit around this level and drop. Okay, so this an other block. Yeah, so if it doesn't spike here, there's no how it will not spike. I will always get my confirmation with my indicator on the 1 minute time frame. Once it gets to this level or this level, I'm selling at this level. Okay, so these are the confirmations here. After doing this on the 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame, mapping out those structures, those places that looks like support and resistance, like here, something like this. That's a zone where price will respect. You can see price has been respecting that zone several times, and around here, price has been respecting there for so many times. So whenever price gets to places levels like that, it's gonna spike. Yeah, it's gonna spike. So also, then I'll move down to 1 minute time frame to confirm. Okay, so whenever I have all my indicators around here, we have the green, the RSI, we have the MA around this overbought level for crash. Then we have the Ichimoku and all the indicators around this overbought
level, you'll be looking to sell. Yeah. Once it touches this 90 level, 85, 90 levels, you're selling. Once you have the confirmation around here that price is at the resistance, key resistance level, you're selling. Okay. So I think that will be all because since my phone is going off, I'm not at home right now. But that will be all. Okay. I love you guys. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel. It's very important. Something is coming. Something is coming for you guys. That'll be all for now. Bye bye. Love you.